everybody. I'm here to give you some quick pointers on entering the Salinas Valley Fair competitions by entering online. First, you need to navigate to the salinasvalleyfair.com, and on our homepage, there's two places where you can connect with our entry processing system. The first is by selecting this button here, or if you need more information like fair rules, guidebooks, forms, go to Fair. Select Fair Entries and Competitions. You can select that page. It will take you to a page with some brief information about entering the fair, and you can go directly to another page with more in-depth information on livestock, the still exhibits, the horse show. Also on this page, all the way down to the bottom, is how to enter the fair. If this is your first time, there's helpful information on that PDF download. But if you are entering online, select Enter Online, and you'll be directed to the fair's entry processing website, which is hosted by Showworks. To start the process, go to the registration button, select that, push that button right there. We're going to be doing a mock entry for Salvador Fair. Normally this won't already be populated, but you'll need to put your name. This is Salvador's first time. I am a new exhibitor. So once you collect new exhibitor, go to continue. Password for Salvador, do something easy that you can remember. If you do forget, there is a way to have the email, a password sent to you. Use an address where you actually collect your mail. If you don't pick up a check, this is the address we're going to use to send your checks to. So very important that you have the correct email or correct physical address for where you'd like us to reach you. We need a phone number here in case we have any questions about your entry, particularly important for any livestock folks. Let's also make sure you have a valid email address, an email that you checked. Don't use those bogus emails, because the only time we will email you is to provide you with an important reminder or try to ask you a question about your entry. Again, important for those livestock entries. In this location, if you are part of a school project, please put your school and your grade, your age, date of birth. Sometimes that's for verification. Cell phone, very important that you put a cell phone number here so that we can call you again about your entry. Club or chapter, those are for our 4-H and FFA members. Make sure you put that in there. And this item, middle name, is critically important because we have several people with very similar names. We want to make sure we pay out the correct person. Continue. The next page is just verifying the information. So check all that information, make sure your info is correct. Continue. Next is the actual entry. And so if you have a guidebook in front of you or you've downloaded the pages, the departments are listed in the order in which they appear in our guidebook, starting with Ag Hort, going all the way to industrial education at the end of the book. So we're going to enter Salvador in a showmanship competition. He is a primary member. So primary right here, poultry, primary. And I'm going to choose a class for Salvador, 5 to 6. And we're going to add one entry. Okay, that's going to be it. Let's say that was the only entry I had. This will be a page where, as a livestock exhibitor, you're allowed to purchase an exhibitor pass if you like, but primary members are free for the fair. Those that are 6 and under are free. So we're going to say Salvador is 5. I don't need to purchase anything else here. I'm going to continue. This is a page where I look at my entry, make sure everything's correct. Yes, I have poultry showmanship. That's all right. I'm going to check out. I need to read over the release, the accountability, or the accountability and liability. There's my entry right there. Yes. Submit. And voila, I am done. This is my confirmation ID. I could choose to print this. I could print a detailed receipt. I can have it emailed to me. You can put a different email in here if you like. And I'm going to finish it. And that's that for that particular entry. There's a survey here. We really want to know how we can improve. So go ahead and fill that survey out if you like. If not, no problemo. And we'll have a couple more other videos soon. Let us know how this works for you. Thanks. Bye.